So here's something I want to talk about, and the question is, and I think I'm going to title this video called, How Long Do Things Last? So here I have a 94 Chrysler LeBaron. Okay car. I'm not a car guy, but I worked on it for a relative of mine. But she got the car just to, cheap car to basically commute and stuff like that, and had a shutting off issue. And this car has 71,000 miles on it, and to my knowledge, and from what we can figure out, there you can see it focused in better, that is the original spark plug. So if you compare that to the new spark plug, what a difference. So that brings me to say, how long do parts last? Which also brings me with the biggest thing that I talk about is maintenance is a very important thing if you want your things to last long. It goes with anything, whether it's down to your bicycle, your doors in your house. Lubricate them once in a while. So like in this car here, what we did to help solve the problem here to shutting off, new cap, new rotor, new spark plugs, and just with that, look at how wore the cap is. You can see all of the electrodes are all wore and have that flaking on them. I also do believe, might not show up, I think there's a crack in the cap. But just a short video on the importance of maintenance. So I'm going to title this, How Long Does Parts Last? So in this case here, they lasted almost 30 years, being that this is a 94, so we got what, 70, I can't think off the top of my head, so 17, 18 years old this car is, or no, 20, oh well, you'll be all making fun of me that I can't do math. It's a long day. Anyway, but the importance of maintenance is key, and it makes you ask yourself, how long do parts last? So thanks for watching. Keep in mind, take care of your vehicle. Things don't last forever. So thanks for watching. Keep on wrenching. Like, subscribe, and keep on wrenching. We'll see you on the next video.